In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace member areas. We'll start right from your Squarespace dashboard. First, log in and open the site you want to work on. From the main menu, head into the website section so you're looking at the editing tools for your site. Next, open Pages. This is where you'll create the private area your members will see. In the Pages panel, find the Not Linked section. This is a great place for pages that you don't want in your main navigation. Click the plus icon next to Not Linked, and from the options that appear, choose Member Site. Squarespace will prompt you to pick a layout for the member site's homepage and to give it a name. Choose a simple layout you can customize later, and use a clear name that tells visitors exactly what they're joining. Once you create it, you'll notice a new member sites section appears in your Pages panel. This acts like a dedicated folder for all of your members only content. Open it and click Add Page to start building out what your members will access. You can add content types like events, a course, or scheduling. Choose what best fits your offer. For example, use events for live sessions, course for structured lessons, or scheduling if you want members to book time with you. Next, open the pricing plan area for this member site. Click Create Pricing Plan to set up how people will join. You can make access free, charge a fixed one-time fee, or offer a recurring subscription. Free is great for lead magnets or communities. A fixed fee suits a one-time course or download, and a subscription works well for ongoing content or support. Add a clear name, description, and price so visitors know exactly what they're getting. If you already sell online, keep your pricing and currency consistent with the rest of your site. You can also include digital products as part of the experience, like downloadable files or resources that complement your pages. After your plan is created, link your call to action on the member site's homepage to that pricing plan. This ensures that when someone clicks to join, they're taken straight to the correct checkout or sign up flow. From your visitor's perspective, the process is simple. When they sign up or purchase the plan, Squarespace prompts them to create an account. As soon as that's done, they can access the member-only pages you built. A quick tip: preview the flow by logging out or using a private browser window so you can confirm everything looks and works the way you expect. And that's it. Your Squarespace member area is ready to go.